Hello, listeners. Again, welcome to an instruction video. We just finished up a show today, and one of the knowledges we know is that if you are suffering from anxiety, depression, stress, commonly you'll go to an antidepressant, which we have an alternative, and it's CBD. CBD has been studied and clinically proven to be able to help with that. Now, when you come and do a CBD, most are, more inclined to use an oil tincture under their tongue or maybe an edible. But what we always tell everybody is when you put it into your respiratory system as CBD, it is absolutely immediate. So if you take a couple of draws off CBD cartridge, within a minute, you've been relieved of your anxiety. And CBD does not cause psychoactive things, so you're not going to get high or anything. But still, people are nervous to use a vaping product. So when you get a vape product, look at the back of the container so you can validate how much CBD is in there, and also see if there's any other ingredients that you should be aware of. You can also go to the company's website and check their third-party lab test to make sure there is not a product in there that will harm your lungs, because it will show up on that third-party test. They test for heavy metals, pesticides, terpenes, and as well as potency. Once you get your product, it'll look like this. And this is a cartridge that'll have oil in it, as you can see when I move it. And when you draw on through the top, it does not burn this product, and instead it just turns it into a liquid. Which then it can get into your lungs, and then the absorption of CBD is almost immediate. Now, Kim is going to show you what it would look like, because you also have to have a battery.
Yep. And so this is when you put it all together. Mm-hmm. This is a normal 510 thread battery, right? Is that
610? All right, so 510 battery, yes,
510.
But you'll see these everywhere.
Yeah.
Where there's a cartridge available. And what she's going to show you is what it looks like to draw a single inhale off of this, just in case you're in a crowded place and you have anxiety and you want relief right away. This is not like you've seen people vaping over big clouds. So Kim, if you take a draw off of that, you can see what comes out. It's not very much.
Yeah.
And if you have high anxiety, you really, in a certain situation, you really want to do about 3 of those. Mm-hmm. Just what she did. Mm-hmm. 3 will almost always do it. If you're just looking for a little calm, 1 is fine. So there you are. Now you know your area is from 1 to 3 draws, depending on the intensity of your anxiety or a certain level of stress.
Yes.
You will find that these vape cartridges were also infused with terpenes that were designed to help alleviate stress. One of these cartridges from Cannafyl has 500 milligrams of CBD in it. And it's tough to get that much in this cartridge, but it also means that each draw on it is pretty effective at relieving your stress. Okay, that's all we have for you today. Thank you for listening.
Thanks.